state media played a critical role in disseminating information of the
Hello?
potential for disaster and emphasizing the importance of leaving vulnerable areas before the storm's arrival. As Typhoon Yagi approached, it began to unleash torrential rain across much of Hainan. The relentless downpour triggered severe flooding in several low-lying areas, overwhelming drainage systems and submerging streets.
I'm not sure kung worth it ba na binili ko. Oh my God. Sukan siya may bilbil tayo
in some coastal cities, the storm surge
kakakain lang namin.
swamping roads, homes, and
Kakauwi lang namin dito.
The flooding was compounded by
Kakakain lang namin
widespread
sa
power
labas. So,
outages,
very,
leaving
very
thousands of people stranded in darkened homes without access to critical resources. Emergency crews
Puro na
worked
lang kain,
tirelessly to restore power
kain.
and rescue those trapped in flooded areas. But the scale of the storm's destruction made
ang
these
dami
efforts
nito,
increasingly difficult.
I'm not sure if I can do it really. Look at that. There's a lot in here.
One of the more dramatic scenes unfolded along Hainan's iconic coastline, where strong winds battered the region's famous coconut trees. These tall,
Oh my God!
symbol of the island's tropical beauty, were
Oh,
messy.
Oh my goodness!
Crashing onto nearby roads and buildings, further
That's
complicating
a
rescue
lot of work. I think it's gonna be a lot of work here. I don't know where to start though.
Residents in coastal areas scramble to protect their homes.
I don't know where to start
Them from
really.
shattering the storm's powerful dust.
I'm just gonna look the picture.
Including its beaches and resorts, were temporarily off limits, a rare occurrence for the island that thrives on tourism. After making landfall in Hainan, Typhoon Yagi was predicted to continue its destructive path, making a second landfall somewhere between Phanchenggang City in Guangxi and northern Vietnam by Saturday afternoon. In preparation for the second wave of destruction, the coastal city of Beihang, Guangxi province suspended all work,
because I only
school,
bought it
business
for
operations, and public transportation by Friday.
260 pesos. So it's inexpensive. We'll give it a try.
Precautions to protect themselves and their families from the
Then
impending
after this,
storm.
what am I gonna do?
Throughout the region, meteorological services issued urgent alerts, advising residents and tourists alike to stay informed by following updates from weather authorities. These warnings emphasize the critical need for people to avoid unnecessary travel and to remain indoors until the storm had fully passed.
So it is much better kung uunahin nyo yung sa center. Ayan. As you can see. Diyan ko mas maganda kapag dyan mo uunahin yung sa gitna nito. See, it works. So lalagyan natin ulit nito. Yan. Dito sa dulo. Apat ito eh. Yan. Ganyan lang. Make sure na tight yung pagkalagay para hindi siya agad matatanggal. Kasi yan yung nagbibigay ng pampastrong ng ating racks daw. Lagayan ng ating shoes. Kung saan kasi natin nalalagay. Kaya mas okay kung may ganito tayo na lagayan. Yan, make sure na yung itim na yan, yung nilagay ko dyan, make sure na nakaharap dito sa, ano nga ba tawag dyan yung silver na yan, kung saan nga natin ipatong yung shoes. Make sure na dyan nakaharap yung may mga butas dyan. 4 yan, kung saan natin lagyan ng gaya nung sa baba. Kasi mahirap yung tanggalin kung dun mo na, sa likuran nalagay yung may mga butas. Okay?
Do not be afraid of that. Change is difficult. But if you give us your all, we will prove to you that you can do more than you ever thought yourself capable of.
Yes, sir! Easy peasy.
I insist that you meet every single standard of this program in order to graduate, but we will assist you to meet those standards.
Here we go. We're almost done. As you can see, look at that. So, nag-iba tayo ng pwesto kasi yung kanina hindi tayo comfortable. Mas okay yung nakaupo tayo ng ganito. And naitayo natin yung lagayan natin ng shoes. As you can see. Hindi iba-iba yung pinatayo natin na ito yung sabi ko yung lagayan natin ng sapatos. So, kunting na lang nito. Mas okay yung nabili ko. Worth it siya. Kasi maraming pwedeng paglagyan ng shoes. Yan, look at that. Oh, see? Ang ganda. And it's only 260 pesos. With plus the delivery fee, it cost 70 pesos. But hindi lang naman ito yung in-order namin. Hindi lang ito yung in-order namin. Umu-order din kami ng upuan. Pero hindi ko na yun sasama dito sa video. Oh, ang ganda. I like it. Yehey! Tapos na rin tayo. Kulang na lang yung itim. Ayan. Last na. Tadan! Yan yung ating lagayan ng shoes. As you can see, worth it yung ating pinambili dito. Ang ganda. That's it. God bless everyone. Ingat!